Equality before law. It should not be there just by written.
Laws without social acceptance create chaos rather than reforms.
India is a country which is best known for unity in diversity.
Implementation of UCC directly, that is impossible.
So today we are here in Budding English Academy with our students where we're going to discuss this topic, if we really need UCC or not.
In a country like India that promises equality before law, but when it's about implementation, but it fails so.
Today, we stand against the UCC. It doesn't mean we oppose equality. It means truly equality means when we respect the diversity. And we know that India, which is famous for its own history, its own culture, and its own diversity.
In a country where there is one constitution and there are two people, both of them are in a similar condition, both of them has faced similar injustice, and one is getting a different kind of justice and another is getting different kind of injustice based on their religion and their religion belief.
The Mesopotamians had this idea of Ur Namo, which meant that one community should follow one type of rule. But it is not practical. Why? It is just a practical idea only because our country, India, is a very cultural, it is segregated in varying cultural diversities.
From starting only, we have get to know that diversity is the strength of any particular country. And for India, we use this particular line. But at the same time, we do not have to forget that because of the diversity, civil wars kind situations takes place in a particular country.
Nehru ji and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, that they just come up with the UCC and they even want this thing to be implemented. I guess that's why they just put this thing in the director principle of states, because they know this thing that at that point of time India is not capable to just face this problem, because at that point of time India is already facing a lot of issues related to the religions and many other things.